Dave Hanson, Camillo, and Jordan Mclain. If those names sound familiar, you have probably seen one of their dumb money YouTube videos or live streams. And I suppose you are familiar with their social arbitrage or information arbitrage investment approach. Personally, I've enjoyed basically all their videos as they always offer unique insights and creative ideas. But nevertheless, there's one video that has been particularly significant for me, and that is the video about the great outdoors. A few weeks prior to that live stream, the $2 trillion stimulus package had been enacted. And so the question arose how people would spend their checks. Based on Google Trends data, Dave, Chris, and Jordan had identified an increased demand for golf, biking, camping, and fire pits, as you can see here. And after further research, they've made several investments in outdoor companies. Relative to current demand, a number of these activities have actually not been that popular over the last couple of years. So I was quite fascinated that Google Trends could be used to identify such shifts in consumer preferences. But one question remained unanswered. Why have they entered these particular keywords on that day in the Google Trends search bar? Was it pure luck, intuition, or something else? I'm pretty sure it was not pure luck, but I don't know their answer. I wanted to find a way to reliably identify these trends as early as possible, and that's exactly what this video is about. The process thereby has just 4 steps. Step 1, the keyword set. How do people search? Which search queries should we analyze? I'm primarily interested in purchase behavior, so I have built the keyword set based on the search recommendations large online retailers provide. Just as an example, if you search for camping on target.com or wayfair.com, camping chair, camping lantern, or camping tent are some of the recommendations. Just to give you a feeling for the amount of data we're talking about, the current keyword set contains around 24 million search queries. Step 2, gathering the Google Trends data. The manual way to do this would be to visit trends.google.com, enter your search query, Canada Goose in this example, and click on this icon to download a CSV file. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and you can see here that the file contains the dates and search interest values separated by a comma. Step 3, forecasting search interest. Given the size of the keyword set, manually looking for spikes in the charts is not an option. So I've developed a model that predicts the current week's search interest for each keyword. We can then ignore all keywords for which the actual search interest just deviates a little bit from the forecast and focus on keywords with large non-random deviations. If we come back to the Canada Goose example, we can see that search interest spikes during the winter month. And at first glance, the increase in search interest seems to be pretty much on track this year. But if we take a look at the forecast, we can see that search interest is actually below expectations. To explain the chart a little bit more, the dotted white line is the forecasted search interest, and the blue ribbon is the confidence interval. If the actual search interest would be within the ribbon, we would consider the deviation between forecast and actual value random. In this example, the actual value is outside the ribbon. The deviation is therefore significant, and those are exactly the events or keywords we are interested in. Now let's take a look at the results. In the current week, there are around 110,000 keywords with a significant deviation between forecast and actual search interest. I'm prioritizing keywords with a higher monthly search volume, as such keywords have a higher probability to impact a company's revenue. Another ranking factor is the percentage deviation between forecast and actual search interest. And finally, I'm ranking keywords higher if search interest has outperformed or underperformed the forecast for multiple consecutive weeks. PCR is the first keyword. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction. There are PCR COVID tests, and that's why the keyword is currently trending. Cold War is searched in the context of the Call of Duty video game, which has just been released. And Iox is a line of single-cylinder scooters made by Yamaha. Interesting? Yes, but it's quite difficult to identify patterns or major trends by looking at these individual keywords. So the next step, step 4, is to identify clusters. First, let's utilize the topic information Google provides. The first topic is meaning. Let's take a look at the trending keywords associated with that topic. Vagabond meaning, Nirvana meaning, and here de facto meaning. All of those keywords are trending, but I don't see a straightforward investment opportunity. Let's take a look at the video game topic. Gaming PCs, gaming desk, gamer chair, already much more interesting as those keywords indicate a purchase intention. But which companies are likely to benefit from the increased search interest? To answer that question, I'm simply Googling all the trending keywords. And when the website of a public company is in the top search results for a keyword, I'm flagging the trading symbol as potentially relevant. If we count the number of keywords with anomalies for all trading symbols, Amazon is with 4,476 trending keywords the top company right now. However, given the size of Amazon's product catalog, I'm not sure those approximately 4,000 keywords actually move the needle for Amazon. So just as an example, let's take a look at Etsy, ticker symbol ETSY. Women nightgown is one of the top keywords. Baggy jeans seem to have a revival. And there is the keyword tie-dye hoodies. All right, and as a final example, let's take a look at Netflix, trading symbol NFLX. AOT, Attack on Titan. Dawson's Creek. And movies on Netflix. So that's it. What do you think? Are there companies or industries you are particularly interested in? I could take a look at them in the next video. Comments and feedback would be very much appreciated. Thank you very much and have a great day.